Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Pingdong's Liudui is a well-known Hakka enclave, but where did it get its name? After a Chinese uprising in 1721, the Hakka people living in Pingdong formed 6 distinct militia units to defend themselves. Liudui means 6 battalions, referring to these 6 army units. After the unrest subsided, the Qing government built a pavilion in Xishu in honor of these brave and noble soldiers.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello 大家好，我係Lim Zepsiu, Joseph Lin, along with Leo to talk more about the Hakka culture, especially about the Hakka ancestry here in Taiwan. And a while ago, we talked about a place in Taiwan, and it's got a very funny, interesting name to it. It's called Six Piles, 六堆. Every time I go around Kaohsiung and Pingdong, I'm not too sure which towns to visit to be in Six Piles. 到底在哪里？
好，首先我们来介绍的就是中堆，是在竹田族田。
哦，这我听过嘛，族田。So the central unit is found in 竹田 ，Okay, that's in Pingdong County.
再来是前堆是在长治，就是长治。
哦，长治啊，
长治
哦，长治这个地方。
还有另外一个是在岭落，
岭落，
就是零落。
哦，零落，哦，所以这个前堆分散在这2个地方就对了。
对，
然后再来还有什么后堆呢？
后堆是女仆，
女仆。内埔，
对，内埔。
Okay. Again, this is a town in Pingdong County called Neipu. That's where the back unit is located. 那 how about the left pile? 左堆呢？
左堆后在嘎东，
嘎东
跟那个新鼻，
新鼻，
嘉东跟新皮。
哦，新皮。Okay. 2 more townships. They form the left pile of this area. 嘉东 and 新皮。Okay. 再来
就是右堆，右堆在那个离港乡的五落，对。
Okay. So this is where you can find the right pile.
最后一个是先锋堆，先锋堆是在那个屏东的狗苏。另外一个就是那个卖猪脚的故乡湾满
万峦哈。That's where the forward unit is located now. 然后万峦之外，另外一个什么？
狗苏
有果树，
不是啦，高树，很高的树。
Okay, that's another town. So there you go. That's the last unit, the forward unit, and a total of 6 units are called 六堆. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.